Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to VIVO V50e. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first pop-up. Following that, tap on allow all in the second one and whatever you want to in all of those. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of Vivo. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then select your files. Either way, when you're ready, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait as well. Finally, after closing and add, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!